means I think membership is going to spike here in the next little bit, and so to Ineke's slight concern about membership in your district, I think that we're going to remedy that very quickly with a lot of attention for Rotary. So there are a few things I need to do for you today, and I want to show you a couple of tricks, not only for membership, but for doing some things that we need to do and get done with the good business of Rotary. I'm going to show you a couple of things right off the top. Ineke is right, you know, if you give somebody a gift, you put your name on it, and yet Rotary is so cool, so humble, that we often don't fly our own flag, and it's amazing. But times have changed, ladies and gentlemen. People are really busy now. We're competing for time and energy and attention. And Habitat for Humanity needs volunteers. And they will take our volunteers in a second if we let them. What we want to do is work with Habitat for Humanity. And I'm looking forward to connecting with whoever you are in Michigan so that we can connect up there and do some good work. And I look forward to talking with you about that, sir. So we're all in this together, and I want to show you some tricks that I use to build my brand. By extension, use the Rotary brand. Build the Rotary brand. And Ineke's right, Bob's right. I am a giver. I give to Rotary, but here's how I do it. You see, here's my brand, and here's the Rotary brand. And I found out that they could go like this, and I'm doing it even today. Right? Like, she's right. I didn't charge to be here today. And believe me, it's a busy time right now for an incoming governor. Didn't charge to be here today. But I'm going to tell you some cool stuff about my business that has such value that some of you will want to hire me after I'm done talking. You're welcome. And for those of you who don't care to hire me, that's fine. If you never want to work with me, that's fine. You're going to get a really good talk. But I'm going to show you what I do. So this is one of my Facebook pages. I filled up the first one. How many friends can you have on a Facebook page before they block you or stop you? 5,000. So I filled up the first one. I'm on the second one now. You'll see I have 2,000, if you can't see from the back, 2,230 friends on this page right here. And this photo at the top, even though I didn't put a sign on it, Ineke, these are Rotarians. And this lady right here is, you may recognize, she's Jennifer Jones. She's on the board of directors and was just voted one of the very, very few female vice presidents of Rotary International. That's her. You're going to be seeing more of her in the future. Next to Jennifer is Gary Laurent and Tammy Laurent. Tammy's a past district governor in Minnesota. And on the far side is Nick Krajicic, and he's a doctor. He's married to Jennifer. That's all Rotary up at the top. This is the Rotary Convention in Minnesota. And if you go to the tag on it, you'll see it. But that's not where I stop talking about Rotary, because I love Rotary, and I'm not shy about telling you. So on the way in, I took a picture, because I'm always thinking, how can I put these two things together? What I'm doing and what Rotary's doing. How can I put that together? Because I think that's attractive. See, people don't like Rotary. People that don't belong to Rotary don't care about Rotary. And this bugged me for a long time, because when I joined Rotary 20 years ago, people ask me all the time, just like they ask you, they go, what's that pin for? What's that pin for? And I would say, Rotary, man, it's Rotary pin. And I would tell them a little bit about Rotary, you know, that we have 1.2 million members, that we have 35,000 clubs, that we're eradicating the world of polio. By the way, they didn't give a crap about polio either. Because people who don't belong in the organization don't care about the organization by definition. Are you with me? So our job is to somehow get them to care. And since they don't care about Rotary, but they care about me, I use me to shill Rotary. And so can you. Look how I did it this morning. We take a picture. These nice ladies are in my picture now. I'm sorry if you did not sign a photo release. And now we have people in this building playing along with me. Look how fun this is. Travis, never one to miss a moment in the spotlight. Is Sean here too, Sean? Yeah, so Sean's in the front, he's sitting right next to him. You look different without a hat on, sir. He says, looking forward to a Rotarian. So he's already gotten in the game. Trav has gotten in the game. I once sang a fake song in that building. Oh, more at the top. Yeah, 4 at the top. I'll have to do that after the program. But this is the idea, and of course, I don't just do it on Facebook. I also shill for Rotary on Twitter. Twitter is a fantastic way, by the way, to, I'm not going to sign in, but it's a fantastic, look at that, hey Charlotte, North Carolina, speaking on leadership. So, and look at over here, my Twitter description, professional talker, Rotarian, Leo. And then a little joke, raised by atheists, I never had a prayer. So humor plays a role, see? I've got a little brand, a little thing that I have, a little blend, a little mix, and I give it to people as much as I can. And I know, by the way, some people, I'm not everybody's cup of tea. Some people don't actually care for me. That's true. Some of you don't care for me. It's okay. I'm going to sleep fine tonight. You know, there's 200 people in the room. 4 of you don't like me. I'm good. I'm good. You see, I'm not trying to please everybody. I'm trying to build my brand. I'm trying to promote Rotary. If you don't like it, it's okay. You know, I'm not going to not talk about Rotary because you don't want me to, right? So this is what I want you to think about when you're promoting your club, your projects, and what you've got going. And we know, too, that when you bring people in to have fun with you, we know that this is powerful. We've got some married couples here today. Raise your hand if you're here with your spouse or significant other. Fabulous. I know, Ineke. Yeah, would you two come up with me, please? Give them a round of applause. Come on down here with me. Thank you.